Welcome back. Welcome back. February 13th, hot lap number 97.
I got a bone to pick with you.
What is it?
Did you jump on the hood of my car last week?
No. I was waiting for you to see that.
I heard about it.
Where'd you hear about
It
it?
doesn't fit that good anymore.
No.
Took me about 15 minutes to close that last night.
Who snitched?
Nick.
Oh my god. Well, you were going to see the video either way.
Yeah, I think it was Nick.
Yeah.
Is that why you did it at 9 in the morning?
Well, we had to get it done ASAP, so
Yeah, I'm sure.
it was impulsive. It was right there. All in my head, I just heard, "Put him in a coffin. Put him in a coffin. Put him in a coffin." But yeah, hood looks good. I think I made it better, to be honest.
I don't think so.
Hey, at least it's already ruined.
Yeah.
Put him in a coffin. Today's Friday. It's a little late to the hot lap. It was a busy week. Eddie had a lot of podcasts to edit from that Texas trip still. And they're all up on the Patreon now. Ready to go, ready to view. We already released the first one last night on all the listening platforms. It was with Logan Davenport, right? Yes. So a lot of those Houston podcasts, well, all of them are out, but they will be coming out every other week maybe, to the general public. But on the Patreon, they're free to listen for the people who pay for the Patreon. Yeah, what else? What else you got?
Don't talk about Miyagi's car. They gotta wait for a video for that.
Oh, he said, don't talk about Miyagi's car. He's got some stuff going on with the Cressida. It might be back on the road soon. Right? Why are you laughing?
I hope.
That broccoli you ate?
Broccoli.
Yeah? Smell something.
I heard you like broccoli.
I actually love broccoli.
You sure do about it a lot.
Just because you eat the same thing every day. What do we got, Frank? What do we got? What are you hiding for?
I'm on one.
What do you got? Let's see what's in the... What's the product of the week? Anything in the shop? Oh, well, we got these here. You got a K24DE, and you need some ignition coil and ignition plug wires, and GK got them for you. On our website, there's a part number right there. Also, congratulations to the body kit winner last month. His name was Mr. Marcos. Very grateful for the kit. Go watch that last hot lap. We gave him a call. He actually commented on it. He said, "So excited to get the kit. Thank you. I awkwardly just ramble when I'm nervous." It's all right, buddy. You were put on the spot. You were put on the spot. On the spot. But thanks for letting us record that for quality assurance and training purposes. Thank you very much. Let's see what's in the shop. So this was said Z that I jumped on the hood. I don't see anything wrong with it. It looks great. Looks great. Enough of that. Shh. What's in the shop? As you can see, Miyagi's car is on the lift. And, yeah, there's a transmission on the floor. That's all we could tell you for now. Over here, there's going to be a separate video for that whole debacle. Here we got a 370Z. It's getting some oil cooler lines rerouted, repaired, yada, yada, yada. And also, what else? Oil change, obviously, after that. Oh, he's got the Nismo drain plug. What a stylish young man.
Oil change, the O-ring back here, reroute this because this was chafing against the sway bar. So, I don't know who installed it, but yeah, this sucks on all Z's, honestly.
Yikes. And he's getting a Z1 under panel, or what is it called? Skid plate put in or something.
W brace?
W brace. Oh, my bad. So replacing this one?
Yep.
He just wants to upgrade.
No, he's getting a new exhaust. And
Oh, I heard he wants the 350Z exhaust.
single exit exhaust.
Single exit.
Yeah, Tomei.
Yeah. But it's a 350Z one because he said they sit higher, so a lot of people put 350Z ones on.
Never heard of that.
Really? Yeah. Actually, hold on. Let me. I got a stunt on these. I forgot we got new jackets. Staff only. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. And we're back. Don't be hating now. Y'all can't get. Hey, step back, yo. Step back. You can't have you right again. Step back. Members only, yo. I got my name on that. Malcolm. Where's y'all jackets at? Y'all know the drill. Put it on. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Look, we got Jesus is over here. Chris is on his box. Oh, speaking of boxes, y'all with the jacket. Speaking of boxes, Chris got a new box. Yeah. U.S. General Series 3. Yeah. How do you like it, Chris?
It's alright so far.
Look like you organized it pretty nicely.
I got this for pennies on the dollar.
Pennies on the dollar.
Nick thought it was a Snap-on box. Yeah, he thought it was a Snap-on box. I was like, are you with me?
Yeah, Nick walked in here. He's like, yo, I with the new Snap-on box. And Chris is just like...
I was like, huh.
He's like, are you trying to diss me right now?
I literally said, are you with me right now? He goes, it's Snap-on, right? I was like, no, it's Harbor Freight.
Yeah, U.S. General. For a great low rate you could get online, go to the U.S. General and save some time.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, you gotta keep the...
Oh, the
Come
Tums.
on.
Yeah, that's how you know
Sponsor us.
your tech is over 30 years old.
Alright.
He got Tums in the top drawer.
Hey, you're next this year.
I got Tums at home. It's alright. You know what's in my desk actually? Centrum 1 a day men's vitamin. That reminds me, I gotta take it. Oh, let's do the. Yo, you ever see that thing on Instagram or TikTok where they have the torque wrench grip thing in the shop?
Yeah, we do.
Let's do it. No glove. No glove. Let's test your grip strength.
Came out at the wrong time.
Come here. Wow, I'm not your ass. I'm talking about your.
What? Wait, what?
What? That grip strength.
My ass?
You were talking about it earlier.
No, I wasn't.
Oh, okay.
Frankly winking.
It's set up over here. See if there's anything else I should address before we do this. Go to Josh's giveaway. He's got a 180SX that he fully did the whole 9 yards on.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
And it's like forest green with a nice little wing, SR20 obviously, the whole shebang. Front Street Josh.
Yeah.
Go follow Front Street Josh on Instagram.
It's almost filled up.
Yeah, he's more than halfway
$100,
full.
win a car. $100.
$100 you could win a 180SX. That thing got. Does it have what's the more cool bits in it?
It's got a SR20.
ABM coilovers.
PBM coilovers.
The archives.
C archives.
Nismo power brace.
Nismo power brace. Does it have a power FC or anything?
Freshly vapor honed and zinc coated engine parts.
Yeah.
By Faction
By
Motorsports.
Go to his Instagram. Go put some pictures up if you don't mind, Eddie.
Yeah.
Let's help this guy out.
What is it? Evolve.tm?
Yeah, that's his new thing.
Evolved. Is that him?
Yeah.
Evolve.tm.
Oh, I thought that was somebody who was working with it.
No, he's gonna try to make this a thing.
What's TM? Like trademark?
It's TCM, Total Car Makeover or something like
TCM. I with that.
Yeah.
Evolve TCM. Sound like some Pokemon. All right, let's get that grip strength, boys. One finger or two. No, I'm kidding.
You're not gonna be able to turn it.
Nah, yeah.
You want to do lefty? You want to do righty?
Righty. Well, whatever your dominant hand is.
This is righty.
All right, who's first?
You Malcolm?
Is it on?
No, you got time.
All right, put the camera. Hit this angle, Eddie. Hit this angle.
That's the Eddie. Brian.
Here we go. Put down in the comments who you think is going to get the highest score.
Oh. I think I'd fly out and hit Eddie in the face.
Ow. Hold on.
It's awkward doing it, so right.
I get 22.
I have a cut on my thumb.
Let's just 22. Just 22.
Try left too. Oh.
Try look. Yeah, there you go. Take the average of both.
You can't hold it.
It's not working.
100. No.
What?
No. It didn't work. All right, just do right. My right was 22.
Okay.
Nothing. But my left.
Hey, yo. Oh, you're lefty.
25.7.
I was doing that, but I guess it's the gloves.
Probably the gloves.
Oh, they had gloves on before?
Oh, he's pro.
Fine, top dead center.
42.4.
42!
That was a good one.
Come on, Frank.
You did with your left hand?
Yeah. It's easier with your left.
Yeah, I know.
Why is it easier with the left?
Just
Because
Alright, we can switch it.
yeah,
Switch-
just, no, just go like this.
I'm a right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Wait.
Yeah, it's weird.
24.
Jesus
24.4.
Christ.
Let me try again.
$19.9.
My hand is tiny, dude.
Yeah.
You want me to change the socket? I'll change the socket.
No, I'm good. I'm not getting over like 22.
Yeah, I can't get nothing on my right hand. Nah, I'm just slipping.
Here we go.
What? Chris was the
Chris got 45, 42.
Let me do the right.
Hey, cheated. Chris put it on cubic inches.
Cubic.
That's right. 34? 30, 35-ish?
Chris put it on PSI.
It's on cubic inch.
Let's go. Let's go. You try it. Give me.
Which way are you turning it?
This one is right now.
Clockwise?
Yeah,
Towards you.
Eddie about to blow his
Yeah,
shit.
clockwise.
Yeah.
Oh,
Other way.
No, we could. Here.
I feel like this way would be easier.
Whichever. Wait.
no. I
No.
don't think it's going.
Yeah, like really.
Let's do it the other way.
Yeah, yeah, do that way.
There we go. There we go. Come on.
Yeah, he's using his weight.
Turn color.
33. Hey.
33.
I was using my weight.
In reality, you could just push this. Right?
Yeah. Negative 43.
It's just this flexing. That's how it works.
Oh, so this thing is.
We all look right now doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but
I'm gonna buy a grip strength thing, so we could all test that.
Here you go. Hold it. Ready?
I don't know how to.
I'm gonna torque it.
Okay.
I'm gonna be like this. Whoa.
Nope.
Nothing?
Nope.
Damn. Nothing?
That's harder.
Ready?
It's gonna be so hard to.
Yeah.
Sure, my knuckles crack. It's slipping. This is not the correct way to test this.
Hey, is this what they're doing on TikTok?
Ready?
This is how they did it on TikTok?
Yep. Well, with the vice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna downvote every
Oh, he's double handed.
TikTok I see. Oh,
Oh yeah.
14.
16.
Oh, 17.
17.5. Here. Go.
Eddie is free.
Ready?
Eddie got that gorilla grip.
Come on.
Shit, he's pretty red.
Nope.
Maybe I should have done the 3/8 one.
We're done.
Yeah, we debunked this. This doesn't work. All those TikToks are hogwash. And that's all we got for today, guys. Released a new Snap-on video last week. Did you buy it?
If you need cars worked on, let us know.
Oh yeah, we work on cars here.
Occasionally.
Yeah, come on through, guys.
This is a nice one.
Yeah, I showed them that one. I told them you got a video for the Cressida coming.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a fun video. It's gonna be real funny too.
Yikes. Well,
If anyone needs a what is it? W58 transmission? Let's show them.
W58 for sale.
If anyone needs a W58 transmission, let us know. It's out of a SC300. I guess you could say unknown condition, but it was bought by someone 5 years ago, and we thought it worked fine. So we're not using it though. So yeah, if anyone needs this transmission, let me know. I don't really know what they go for. If you know what they go for, leave a comment. W58 SC300.
Starting bid is $1.
Yeah, as you can tell, we're gonna need the money. So we got a lot of transmissions around here. We got to make something work. So that's it.
But Logan Davenport, the last podcast we released, there's also a car check video coming with his 240 SX. Right? It's a 240? Yeah. I think it's a 240. Yeah, 180 style. Yeah, it's going to be released today by 6 p.m., right? 7 p.m. So be on the lookout for that. All right, guys. That is all. Good job with the grip strength, everybody.
What's the outro?
I would never jump on the hood, so I'm not doing that. What's the outro, Frank?
We'll see you on the next one.
As soon as I threw that, I was like, he can't catch.
Forgot?
I was like, no. Well, that's all, folks. See ya.
Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you one entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. For our website raffle this month, we are giving away a set of front and rear bash bars from Limitless Auto Fab. So make sure to get those orders in for your chance to win. If you don't know what a bash bar is, that's probably a good thing. But it's better to know now than to find out when it's too late. A bash bar is a term drifters use for a vehicle's crash bar. This is the first thing the front and rear of your car touches when it makes contact with something it shouldn't. And let's face it, the cars we use for drifting are sometimes older and past their prime. The metal is weak and just waiting for an excuse to fold. Limitless bash bars can potentially save you thousands in repairs on a frame machine. Limitless Autofab is a fabrication company located in Illinois that we have been working with for years. They offer the best bash bars in the game, which is a part that you might not think you need, but trust me, as I'm speaking from experience, you will regret it when you get into that first crash when drifting and your whole front end crumbles. Now, this raffle only applies to the bash bars they carry, so make sure to check out their website or our website to see if they have what you need. I also heard that they are releasing bars for a few more vehicles soon, so keep an eye out for that. This giveaway will cover those as well if they are released, I'd say, in the next month or so.